children, welcome to Trinity Academy Metric High Secondary School. I am D. Mahalakshmi. In class 4, lesson 9, Moral Science, we are going to see a new story. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. I hope you all are ready. Coming to the story, Anuj was a very smart and brilliant boy like you. He studied in Mahavir Vidyalaya. He was very smart and brilliant boy. Anuj participated in extracurricular activities and sports, but his weakness was that he did not like the library period. Anuj had no interest in reading books. He had no interest in reading books. He only went through sports magazines. He had no interest in reading books. He only went through sports magazines. Anuj's parents motivated him the good habit of reading, but they could not do so. Anuj found reading books very boring. He was not interested in reading books at all. After few days, something strange happened. It was Anuj's birthday. His parents presented him a wonderful aquarium with some wonderful and beautiful fishes. The aquarium is filled with beautiful and colorful fishes. Anuj was very excited and happy. He always wished to have pets. At last he got them. He sincerely promised his father and mother to look after the fishes properly. Very soon, Anuj realized that it was not an easy task to look after these pets. To keep the fishes healthy and safe, he required to know lots of things about them. He knew nothing about how to take care of fishes or with what food to feed them. When he approached his mother to help him, she answered that she too did not know anything about fishes. She advised him to get some books from his library on the information related to fishes. The next day in the school, in the library period, Anuj asked for the books on aquarium, fish care. Very soon, Anuj learnt the art of keeping the aquarium clean, feeding the fish and changing the water. Besides fishes, he read a bit about other pets and started to share his knowledge with his close friends. Now, reading became a fun and thrill for Anuj. Children, I hope you all would have understood the story. Moral of the story: reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. Thank you. Children, I will meet you in the next section with a new topic. Thank you.